When manufacturing high-speed automotive impellers, multi-setup stack-up errors on 3-axis mills are the primary cause of dynamic balancing failure. LS Manufacturing's 5-axis CNC machining service reduces setup cycles from 4 to 1, tightening tolerances to plus or minus 0.005 mm plus, and achieving an as-machined raw 0.8 microns, raw 32 microinches surface finish to eliminate vibration at 220,000 RPM. Why do traditional 3-axis milling methods fail for modern EV turbochargers and compressors? First, complex 3D twisted blades feature severe undercuts that 3-axis tools cannot reach without manual repositioning. Second, every extra clamping rotation introduces positioning errors up to plus or minus 0.025 mm, leading to catastrophic unbalance during high-speed rotation. At LS Manufacturing, precision 5-axis CNC machining on our DMG Mori 5-axis mills solves this challenge through real-time tool center point control RTCP. First, completing the impeller geometry in a single setup eliminates fixture alignment errors. Second, here is a quick DFM tip. Maintaining a blade root fillet radius of 1.5 mm or greater allows our 2 mm end mills to machine narrow 3 mm air channels on aluminum 7075T6 and titanium T6A-L4V without chatter or tool deflection. Third, achieving superior aerodynamic efficiency requires strict surface finish control. By utilizing Swarf milling and 70 bars high-pressure coolant, we align the tool flank with the complex curved blade surfaces. This yields an as-machined surface roughness of RA 0.8 micrometers, RA 32 mu-in, eliminating manual hand polishing. Initial unbalance is kept under 0.5 gram millimeters, meeting ISO G 2.5 standards. To prevent thermal deformation on thin blades with wall thickness down to 0.8 millimeters, 0.031, all precision 5-axis CNC machining is performed in our 20 degrees Celsius constant temperature workshop. Backed by IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 quality systems. Every impeller undergoes 100% Zeiss CMM inspection with full dimensional reports and raw material certificates. From precision 5-axis machining to Type 3 hard anodizing, LS Manufacturing provides end-to-end manufacturing solutions with 5-day quick-turn delivery. Whether for one-piece prototyping or volume production, visit lsbeef.com, upload your STEP or EGAS CAD files, and get a comprehensive DFM analysis and 5-axis CNC quote within 2 hours.